Hi, welcome to the fourth part of the Spur housing in SolidEdge 2024. So, let's take a look. First I want to fix that problem here. So maybe hide the solids. There you go. This should be hidden, that one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. Let's add the fillets here to this body. So go to round, 5 mm on this edge here, confirm, preview, finish, and 2 mm on that one here. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. Now, I want to move those features before that one. So this one would be protrusion 7, yes. So make this body the active body. That would be this one here. Double click it. Okay. And then first I want to move that sketch before protrusion 7. So yes. Let's move it up here to protrusion 6. Yes. Then move the protrusion up to sketch 15. Then the round here to protrusion 12. That round to round 6. And that round to round 7. Then go to protrusion 7. Like that. And combine those two bodies or solids, so go for union. This would be the target, and that would be the tool. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Yes. And now go here and go to, not possible. That's kind of crazy, so maybe just go there, go to, so the symbol doesn't come, so let's go to right click, go to, looks pretty good, yes, and now I can go for the handle. So let's hide those design body, bring back this one and make it the active one. And that's not okay. Let's take a look. So I made that round. Yeah, it's okay. Now I need a sketch on the I think the front plane, I suppose. Doesn't really matter, but I want to bring in those edges here. So let's take a look. Where is that? We can have construction, and the symbol for bringing in elements is project to sketch. Yes. So project, that's okay. And I need this edge, that edge, and this one here. And confirm. Finish, cancel this out. And those go back to the sketch. And those curves should be for construction only. So let's try to select it. Yes, it's again, no. I just want to edit that sketch. Edit profile. Okay, and these elements should be for construction only. So switch it. Okay. Then I will need two circles. One 2, and the diameter of this one should be 700, and the other one should be 690, and they should be concentric. Let's check it out. Yeah, seems like it. Okay, now this point should be on that plane here, or axis, so go for, where is it? There you go. So this center point here, that one, should be right there. And I will need that plane up there. Where is that plane? That's this one here. This should be inside the sketch, so let's project it, or you could just make it visible. And I need tangency constraint between those circles and that plane. So go for tangency, select this circle and select that plane here. Okay. Yes, and it might be helpful to hide the body, at least for the moment. Yes. Now I need a circle, a construction circle. Yeah, that's kind of awful. Over here and over there. Dimension should be 40 millimeters and 40 millimeters. Both of them should be for construction only. And I need tangency constraints. From this circle to that arc, from this circle to that one. Same over here, like that. Let's add a line which should start here at that. Maybe first trim it. So this could be removed, yes. And now I should be able to snap onto the end point, yes. Draw it like that. Another one over here. Again from this end point here. Up there. And then go for another coincidence and put this center onto that line. Same on the other side. The center on that line here. Yes. Try once more. So this should be on that line. Okay. Now let's trim. This could be removed. That could be removed, and this could be removed. Looks good, so close that sketch, finish, and now let's make an extrude. That would be the sketch, yes. Confirm. It should be symmetric, yes. And the distance should be 10 millimeter altogether. So it's not visible because the solid is not visible. Okay. Let's check this out. Yes, looks okay. So finish, cancel this out. Great. Let's hide the sketch. I will need those edges for my sweep. Okay, first I need 2 rounds. with 7mm. Oh, caps lock is on, so go for 7, and this should be on this edge here, that one, and the same over here on this one. Confirm, preview, finish, cancels out. And I've just noticed I missed that fillet here. I could do it right now, so go for round. That should be 10mm on this one and that one. Confirm, preview, finish, cancel this out. Yes. Now, let's go for surfacing. I need a derived curve. So that would be, yeah, it's kind of a chain, but let's select it like this. That one and this one. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Great. And now I need a sketch on the, that's the front plane. So go for home, go for a sketch on this plane here. Okay, and I will need an intersection point of that curve with that plane. Can I select the point up here? Yes. So I need a profile which looks something like this here. Yeah, I could go for, no, that's not possible. I should do it the other way around. Yes, okay. So let's move this a little bit, possibly like that, and then like this. Okay, and this could be, of course, vertical aligned. So let's see if we can. Yes, and then we could add an angle here of 10 degrees. So as usual, I have to go for angle, yep, 10mm, and okay, leave that sketch. Okay, let's go for our sweep, but we need a sweep cutout. So these are the sweeps which add material, and these are the cutouts. So go to sweep. So that's okay with me, yes. The options are okay, so confirm. And single chain. I want to go for a not path step here, chain. Let's see if we can select the chain, yes. And confirm, go for that profile here. Finish, cancel this out. So it worked on this side, but not on the other one. So let's try to mirror it. So go for mirror. I want to mirror a feature, that cutout. Confirm. And the plane would be this one here. Finish. Take a look. Yes, looks good. And now let's try to mirror both of them to the other side. Over here, go for mirror. Select, if possible, that. Cutout. And the mirror plane would be, in this case, that one here, this one. Finish and take a look. Yes, works. Great. and I'm done, at least for today. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like and leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on LinkedIn, GrabCAD, Facebook, X, and many more. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.